an earthquake. There are 8.8 magnitude earthquake. Earthquakes is very dangerous. Please hide in moving places right now. I swear to God. I repeat, there is an earthquake. There are 8.8 magnitude earthquake. Earthquakes is very dangerous. Please hide in moving places right now. I swear to God. Hey, you're not allowed to leave the TV on all day. I said there is an earthquake. I said hide in moving places now. I swear to God, if you're not, I will take down your video. Earthquake, 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 earthquake. There's an earthquake. Please hide! Earthquakes is very serious. Just hide! Earthquake! Please hide now! There is going to be an earthquake in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ha ha! You lose!